so long and stuff. So as soon as we stopped, I was like, right, I'm going to say to her, excuse me, but I don't know if you know, but your indicators aren't working. But be like really genuine about me telling her. But she turned off literally with one turn in just before Magic Close, and it's really annoying. I don't think she needs to be indicator.
That's done you a whole world to get, isn't it?
I'd go first with my which is you to annoy him. You don't need listening. Oh, I see. Now she's stopped indicating. My heart literally just stopped. I think I've gone into cardiac arrest. Please will you do CPR on me? Holding tight to the string on real tight. Let's go. Flying kites. Hey,
Yeah.
Mr. Grumpy,
Grumpy.
you are.
I'm not.
You're grumpy because the lady pulled out in front of you. And you're grumpy because it affected my singing. You were enjoying my song so much, weren't you?
Yeah, it's going to be funny to listen back to.
Because it's illegal to obstruct, like pushchairs or wheelchairs and stuff.
Okay, well if you park on the pavement,
I would have kept going personally. Good emergency stop.
my blinkers went on automatically, did you hear?
Oh yeah.
That bus wasn't stopping though, was it?
No.
That bus really shouldn't have gone.
That's the same one that went on Amber.
Real chow, creamy tasting, perfect on my kind of place.
It's so Muller-licious. Loves the toppings. So good all by itself.
Hey,
New Muller Spreadable. Muller, official spreadable of British Athletics.
available only at select. No in the other, are you? But what if you were? At 125 miles per hour. Look, Mum, no hands. And as you fill out that crossword, the sentence forms, it says, this must be a train. Well, that's right, imaginary crossword. It is a Virgin train. The hands-free way to travel to Manchester. Virgin Trains.
It's the first day in your new job. You're being shown around the office.
Really good, huh? And what about Liverpool? Yeah, home to West Ham. Yeah, and then you're away at Palace. Right, see, I've got the full list in front of me. I'll tell you. I'm ready. Somebody else texted men. One fixed monthly payment for 3 years. Version 108 collection and just add fuel. Effortless style, effortless ownership, surely an effortless decision. Personal finance needs, terms, eligibility criteria, and return conditions apply.
Do it today. I'm going to Norfolk today. To sunny. It's not sunny at all. It's North.
No, it's double yellows, mate.
No way. No way. As it's my dad's birthday today. He will be 70 years old today.
Oh, you are such a jammy cat.
Well, what?
It's your dad's birthday the day before Father's Day.
I know.
You never forget.
Well, I will either do a bit of barbecuing, as I quite like a bit of barbecuing.
There's a
or
space
I
right there.
may
There's a
get the
space
children to
there.
go around, all the people who then and that's
Go into the space.
They're quite keen to be waiters and waitresses.
tins with thin arrowroot biscuits.
Yeah.
Because my mum thought they were
Energy every day is exhausting and expensive, but with a smart meter, you get an expected average saving
Of course, yeah.
54 kilowatt hours. That one big stadium for all
day.
Yeah.
It does. We won't have any trees, love. Believe that. We won't have any trees.
Do you think about Brexit? What's that?
We're leaving the European Union.
I seriously don't know.
So like it was to leave the EU, so we wouldn't be part of Europe.
Like welfare and like things we trade with would be cut down. So does that mean we won't have any trees?
Trees?
You're waiting to turn right.
Yeah.
You're at the front in the right-hand lane.
And it's red.
The lights are red.
Yeah.
There's nothing coming.
You kind of, it's essentially the same thing. Although people do have it at different times.
So, Roger Fries, what are you having for tea or dinner this evening?
Look, I certainly do. I said, you choose. I mean, it may be different for you.
We're not talking about me.
And also,
talking about
let me finish. You down there.
Way up for tea.
You'll move to.
Way up for tea.
Another question.
Way up for tea. Way up for tea.
All right, look. You ask me what I'm having for tea.
I just have.
Right, but let me ask you this. Do you have tea? Anybody, mate? There's a fly. There's a much Florence machine headline at the BtWWLO BBK Festival. This is not.
Choose our man of bad rubbish removal service and we'll come clear almost any rubbish from almost anywhere. Because whatever you want rid of, there's a clearer bean bag in a clearer bean bag.
And you're the first person to do it, we'll give you £1,000. But where will the phone be? That's for you to work out. That's right. It's one of the Vegas competitions we've never done.
Top of your legs, which is wigs we use to wear bottom.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yes.
We've been toying with what to do with it for a while, you know, like when Pirates of the Caribbean came out, or, you know,